It's like, oh, my stupid weeb shit. Like, oh, my light is bright enough, or like, it's in the corner of a shadow under a shelf where you used to keep shit, but all you could see was up their skirt. So you're like, I'm gonna put it down here. And then you're like, it's too dark. So then you 3D print seven of these 100 millimeter clip things that I designed. You super glue a row of LEDs, and you just you hope that that shit does not get stuck. And you just stick that on there, line it up, press it down, super glue shit you need to super glue, solder shit you need to solder. Need to buy more manga. That's all there. That's there. And you just get your USB cord and you super glue it onto that, and you plug it in to your little thingy or to Alexa or whatever the fuck you want. And hey, look, now we can see the corner of disgusting weed bullshit that you decide is a really good investment. Yeah, done. We good. We good.